Hello everyone. Let us understand Guna Siddhanta in Dinacharya. First, what is Guna? Samavayito Nisheshtha Karana Gunaha. Guna is Samavayi Karana with the Dravya. According to Acharya Charaka, there are 41 gunas. Now, let us focus on Gurvadi gunas. Guru, Lagu, Shita, Ushna, Manda, Tikshna, Snigdha, Ruksha, Stira, Sara, and etc. ದಿನಚರ್ಯ ದಿನೇ ದಿನೇಚರ್ಯ ದಿನಚರ್ಯ ದಿನಸ್ಯ ವಾಚರ್ಯ ದಿನಚರ್ಯ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನಚರ್ಯ ದಿನಚರ್ಯ ದಿನಚರ್ಯ ಎ ಡೈಲಿ ರೊಟೀನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೇನ್ ಏಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಸ್ವಸ್ಥಸ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಸ್ಥ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷಣಂ ಆತುರಸ್ಯ ವಿಕಾರ ಪ್ರಶಮನ Dinacharya, the principle of Ayurveda, not only cures the disease, first it helps to maintain health of a healthy person. This is achieved only by following Dinacharya, Rutucharya, Sadruta, etc. Ashtagunas. Among 20 Gurvadi gunas, why these Ashtagunas are considered as Ashtaviryas? Guru, Lagu, Snigdha, Ruksha, Hima, Ushna, Mrudu, Tikshna. Because as Guru and other 7 qualities have been mentioned predominantly, as they have been attributed in many number of drugs, as they were mentioned in Ayurveda prior to Rasa and others, as they have potency in comparison with Rasa and rest of the gunas. Now let's focus on Dinacharya, which explained to the Swastha peoples. Dinacharya depend on both Sharirika and Manasika. Person should follow Dinacharya based on his Prakriti. In concept of Dinacharya, we can notice both Aharaja and Viharaja. Now let us understand Guna Siddhanta in Dinacharya in Brahmi Muhurta, Usha Jalapana, Malatyaga, Dantadavana, Jivha Nirlekana to Ratnadharana. Now let us understand Guna Siddhanta in Dinacharya. In our daily routine, we will wake up and we will go for brushing, bath, and we will ready for our activities. But there are many other activities which should be performed for maintenance of our good health, like waking up at Brahmi Muhurta, Achamana, Dantadavana, Jivha Nirlekana, Usha Jalapana, Anjana, Dhumapana, Gandusha Kavala, Karana Purana, Shiro Abhyanga, Sarvanga Abhyanga, Pada Abhyanga, Snana, Vyayama, Gandhana Lepana, Prarthana, Ahara Sevana. Why these are suggested in these time from 4:25 to 9:12? Because in this time in our body there will be a kapha dosha increase, in the sense heaviness and